getting dressed up.
Hopefully they don't find the evidence.
And they went, put it in the acid bucket later.
What are you doing there, Bert?
I got it. Can't move. Whoa.
Do you mean go up that ladder? Are you fucking shitting me? Morning, and today we are doing the extraction. Say hello, Drew. So we're literally gonna just savage the roof. We're gonna cut down here, cut the whole fucking lot out, and we've got replacement panels. We're waiting for James with his laser aligner, and we're gonna put the laser aligner on top of this and send it up the wall. But we're gonna leave a little lip here so we can put the new stuff underneath and then the new stuff over the top and put them through the original holes. Oh, I've got a suit and boot now.
No, just put it on top. If you want to keep the viewers, probably best.
They like me half naked.
Now, put that on gently because it's made of about 1 mil paper and we've only got one.
Is this from Go Outdoors?
No.
It's not size 10.
Size 10. Size 10. Get it. Nice. The gloves are size 10. Fiberglass, mate. Not nice, is it? If you don't savage it, it might be alright. I'm going to stay out of the way. I'm not suited up.
I can't breathe.
We'll take it off for now. Or are you going to go straight into it?
Go straight in.
No idea. It's in the back there, extension lead. We've already got it powering our brand new second-hand parts washer. Oh yes, there she be. Keeps the temperature on at 40 odd degrees. All natural.
Making up for the dyno fumes we're going to make. It's alright, Greta can't get us here.
Can't wait to build a Greta package. The blade's the wrong way, isn't it? Does it go that way?
I don't know.
No, go the other way.
Oh, that's good.
No, I wouldn't do it plugged in. Oh, fucking hell, a minute.
It's fine, I don't need a button.
Right, plug her in.
Yeah.
Don't cut my head off. It's not sore. Right then, are you ready?
Yeah.
Hang on. Oh, fuck me.
Savage!
Like a glove. I've come to join their fun, getting dressed up.
Hopefully they don't find the evidence.
And they went, put it in the acid bucket later. Well, that was fucking easier than I thought.
Last bit now. Well, that was dramatic. It's very cold here now.
Well, that's the aircon sorted. Good job.
I'll tell you what, this aircon's amazing now, mate. So basically, now we've got to mark up the wall somehow, get up there, drill. This floor's slippery as fuck. Maybe we should put one that way and one that way.
One that way, one that way.
Yeah.
We're going to have to, aren't we?
We're going to try and get this tube up there. Oh, Jesus Christ.
That's not rickety.
Slippery.
No.
You sure? Whoa.
Where do you want it?
Under there. And as close to that as possible. Push this against it, Bert.
Press it?
Yeah, so it
Ain't going to move?
Yeah, it won't move then.
Nah, fucking solid set.
Ready?
Mate, that is safe as house.
I think you're a fucking crackhead.
Why?
Can you just quickly scratch my back with a fucking fiberglass?
Usual place?
Up a bit, down a bit, up.
Right, you're on the dick.
Yeah, sure. Bang! Sorry.
Right, disclaimer, I'm not gay, I am married.
Just because you're married doesn't mean you're not gay.
Yeah, but I'm not. Let's tell you, isn't it?
We're going to break this out. We need the charger. Pause them for a minute.
What tunes?
Because of music copyright
I
strikes.
said I want tunes.
What do you want?
Where's my tunes?
It's there.
Think of a crazy German scientist name for me when I'm wearing these. Alfreds. Oh no, can't say that. It sounds like... No, because that's the place, isn't it? I'm invisible, you can't see me.
Drew, where you gone? Drew? Oh, there you are. We should call
What's
you...
Alfred?
We should let the audience
My name is
decide.
Alfred!
Can you lift the top bit of this up,
This is
please?
quality content. I can't see you. Hang on, top bit.
Yeah. Oh, that's it. Just break my fucking phone. anyway, James is here to save us. He's bought his SDS, he's bought his ladders. He said he's got some laser glasses because we couldn't see the laser.
That's never heard of those.
Laser glasses? Futuristic shit. No, so we got one up.
Okay, I think so.
James is up there, loving life. Boys are just sorting out an impact gun. So James has got up there and fitted one of the brackets, cemented in with this shit.
Still loose.
Is it worth putting this one in now or drilling the other holes? You're right up there, James.
Oh, it's knocked me in the face.
James has actually just realised after filming for the last 6 months that I'm filming for a YouTube channel.
For security, or insurance purposes.
You're braver than I am. You might not want to stand there, Drew, just because he smacked you in the knob with it.
He's gonna catch me. The dog's pissing.
The what?
That's in the video.
What video?
Oh mate, I thought you were supposed to be involved in YouTube. The video of the bat flying around the Irish family's kitchen.
Yeah.
You've not seen that?
No.
Catch him, Darren. Catch him. Oh. He's making a mockery of you. Get him. Oh. So he goes.
I'm going to find the clip and I'm going to put it on here so you can see it.
The dog's pissing. There's no dog for that.
What's the dog pissing?
All the excitement, the dog's just pissing. Have you seen that, James? Oh, for fuck's sake, what's wrong with you guys?
Right, I'm going to put it up right now.
Catch him! Catch him, Derry! Derry, catch him! Derry, will you catch him? Oh! 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 You get down off this, take off them shots. The dog's dead, the dog's after peeing! Oh, for
What are we doing then?
So we just put this 90-degree bend on, smashing the fuck out of it,
Yeah, because it doesn't quite fit.
screwing it in, and
So we can just send that on top of the stack.
I'm going to lay this down and make sure that this is...
Your meat fist
Does it go inside or outside? It goes outside of it, doesn't it?
goes on top, yeah.
That goes into the stack.
Into the stack, yeah.
I think so, yeah. So we're here for you, James. James just manhandled that 90-degree up there on his own.
Like it was nothing.
Yeah.
The tallest guy's down here giving moral support.
You probably don't want to hear it, but if you tilt it towards you a bit more, spin it round, yeah. I'm trying to put my input in. There's no safety harness. I'm trying to get down so I don't die.
Can we not get another ladder up there and I can give him some support?
He's only got one big one. Oh, he's nearly got it. Oh my God, James. Go and get the other
On
ladder.
the back side first. When I come up with you that side and help. Right, let me go and get the ladder.
Breather time. I think once we've got it up there, we should be able to spin it. Well, what are you thinking? Cut the other bit of roof out.
It would be easy, wouldn't it?
Are you alright there, James? Are you coming down with it? Yeah. Bit tight there, mate, is it? I can't believe you just walked down with it. I'm useless at shit like this. This is James's forte, climbing ladders and putting shit up. Ooh. You avoided the 300 grand car.
Hey, get on, James.
You need to take that piece out.
No, well, on this side.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's no way you're going to get up there.
Right, I'm just going to cut it then. Cut it. If we're cutting this side out as well, we can use that as a template to cut a circle in here and do one half and then do the other half.
That's a really good idea, you know.
It's a really good idea. Right.
Glad I didn't think of that. Keep cutting.
More?
Yeah, well, it's got to come off on it. That got it.
Nah, I'm itching like fuck.
That's too late, you missed the whole thing.
Fashion, man.
Him passing it to me getting excited. Oh, where am I going, James?
In the lift, join it together.
Where, yeah, I know. Whereabouts?
You see what I've got to put up with?
Hang on, I'm asking.
Hey, where this tube joins to that tube.
Whereabouts? Did you get there?
Yeah, exactly. Bash in. Can't really fuck this up, can we?
Turning the
Drew
angle.
can.
Oh, Jesus.
He won't help you now.
The position of the screw, Marley.
Bet you drops the screw.
About there?
Hope not.
About there?
Yeah, about there.
This is definitely going on.
Bet
the
you
floor.
drops the screw.
On my face.
I'll bet on
We're
myself.
taking a bet on this.
I'll bet myself I'll drop it. Can I do that? I'm not trained.
Look out. Hey!
You just lost your bet.
It didn't even drop the screw up.
I
Fucking
didn't
amazing.
want to.
Mate, do you know what? If
This is
people
definitely
don't
on the
fucking subscribe, right, and see the effort that we've gone through to make
yeah,
content
worth
for
watching
them,
on YouTube.
it's well 100% worth
Yeah,
it.
if you could just see the effort that Braden's gone into to hold that camera still while we're doing all the fucking work.
Right, so James, we need one more brace up there then on the 90, going like here, James, look, this
I
way.
know where the 90 is.
Should we have a high five moment?
Hey!
Just put one.
Hopefully the fans don't make the wall fall down. So the other one we're going to face the other way, yeah?
No.
Yes.
Say it one more time, I'm going to punch you.
So we're going to face it the other way, yeah?
I was going to fucking launch him.
I don't think
Listen
the...
to me. I want to keep any excuse away from the neighbour as possible.
Because it's not going to go this way. It's going to go that way over there.
Right. It's going to go
Towards the
over there.
donuts factory. So everyone's donuts is going to taste like Ford RS Focus.
You know what? If you want to go like an American truck and have twin things, you're never going to see.
Twin stacks.
That's what he's thinking. Of these little chargers.
You never can see it.
Yeah, but one goes one way, one goes the other. It's going to be beautiful.
Why don't you send it straight back this way?
You can do, yeah. What are you laughing at? You're the one doing it. It should be beautiful.
He's fucking nicked his gloves as well.
What?
Fucking Jack.
Fucking poor Jack.
Fuck.
Yeah.
So, Drew's doing the usual. He's ordering McDonald's. We've put one sheet up, replacement sheet, and we just cut this one out so it sits halfway around here, and then we can put the other tube up. Whoa! Shit, mate, I tell you what, you can build a car. Can't tie my shoelaces, but I can fucking bitch. What are you doing there, Bert?
I got it. Can't move. Whoa.
We're pre-building the other one. Just hold on tight.
I was going to ride there. I was.
Stay there, mate. You right there, mate?
Yeah, I got it.
Have you seen my winky? I lost it in a smelting accident. It's made of tin.
I only went that way, mate. I was nearly going for it.
Put it into perspective what you're actually doing.
Yeah, I'm having to put force that way, right? Because he's pushing the stack this way. Now he's going to push it the other way.
Fucking, I nearly fell over trying to help you.
Well, I can't stand up.
Hold on, now this is the great bit. What we need to do is just fuck off and leave him sat here.
Yeah, let's go. See you later, mate.
I just won't get up and
Bye.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Fuck you!
Been smoking in there. They're going to fight. We'll slide on the floor, man. Slide on. Push,
Push, Chris. Push, 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 push. Oh, he's all right, now, bit more.
Go. Push. Push, push.
Just keep going.
It's bending.
Foul it. No, it's not. It's fine.
Go on. Keep it going. Push.
Okay. Come on.
Bit more.
Perfect. Stop with this one. Just need to get a little bit on it. Come on. Keep going. Do you want bear hug and lift,
No,
or do you
I'll
want
slide.
fingers underneath and push?
Are we both going to lift it?
Yeah, there's no way I'm going to lift it all the way up there.
Lift it, I can walk up the ladder with it.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Oh, sorry, James.
Right, I've got a bit.
Hold on.
Steady, no rush, steady.
Right, yep.
Ready then? Up a bit then. More.
Wait, we're going to have to go for the ball.
Nearly rinsed against the wall if you need to.
Right, I'm going to start climbing the ladder now.
Ready?
Yeah, lift. Stop.
Over on.
Oh, no support.
No support.
You've got no support underneath this.
Go on the 90.
Yeah, but
Right, hold on. Right,
Moving
Drew,
to
you
bear
stay
hug.
there. I'm going to get under the 90.
Okay.
Holding.
Holding.
Remember, I haven't got a very good angle on this at all.
Yep. So what are we going to do now?
Well, we need to sort it out down here, but I've got it on my back.
Can you come to me, James?
I can't push anywhere, I'm just holding it straight in.
And this goes on top, doesn't it?
Yes, over the outside.
Right, we've got bars, we've got some
Get
leverage.
some screwdrivers.
Well, I'll get some
There's
shit.
a lever boat, yeah.
Dude, you can't pull it too far.
Well, that was a lot easier.
Away from the wall, that's it, like that. You do that? Okay, no
Watch your
problem.
fingers.
And then do that.
Switch
Well,
your fingers.
You'd be better off walking it in like the camera.
Doing it now. We're almost there.
This one's in.
Inside. Yep. Hold your one there. There it goes.
Yeah, but it's holding it away.
I'll take a picture there with the ladder or a man up there.
We're going to get the phone and show what we're doing.
Phone?
Yeah, behind you.
Oh, hello everybody.
Well, that was a lot
Wait,
faster than
I
the
forgot you were there.
wasn't it?
Let's see what's been going on, shall we? That's freezing. Here he is.
Right, don't drop it because you can't get down.
Rotate. Look at that, boys. Look what we've achieved today. Oh my god.
What do you mean go up that ladder? Are you fucking shitting me? Oh, fucking nearly fell through. Here, I'll take
The
this.
ladder!
What other ladder?
The big ladder at the other side.
Oh, okay, the big ladder.
The big ones is fun, you silly cunt.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's wood there. I'm a precarious
Like working with a bunch of monkeys.
Mate, if health and safety come here right now in England, we'd be fucked.
Good thing it's Good Friday,
Do you know
eh?
they gave me a £250 fine for using latex gloves, the bastards?
Come, get up.
Oh god. Fights again.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, for God's sake.
Keep going. Come on.
Give him his time.
One more.
What? No, I'm not going one more.
One
Go
more.
fuck.
I need one more.
I'm right here.
No, I need to do one more. This way. Right enough. I need one more.
Why?
Come, one more.
James, I can't.
You can do it,
One
Bert.
more.
I can't.
You can.
I'm right in level, I can
Don't freeze. Don't freeze.
Right, hold tight then.
You could never do fucking celebrity get me out of here, could you?
Nope.
No, I can't do it.
It's in their best interest to keep me alive, though.
Is it?
Yeah, it would be. My heart is pounding like a kitten that's just found its
But relax. Jesus. You're not even high. A warning would be
Am I meant
nice.
to be hallucinating right now?
No, I'm not wearing my helmet. I don't even know if I'm filming shit or not.
Yeah.
But you sit here and I'll go.
It's not holding it, that's your fingertip. It's not even funny, I'm petrified of heights. So, we've been doing this all day. What time is it, Drew?
16 minutes past 7. Fuck.
Thanks, James. So look, they're both up. One facing one way, one facing the other. We've got a strap in the centre to hold them. They're nice and sturdy-ish. They're wedged there at the moment. Obviously, the rubber actually takes quite a lot of the weight, like a boost hose.
Is Jeff looking to do a shit in this place?
I don't know. Where's Jeff?
There, look. He's
Jeff?
just ready to do a shit, mate.
Come here, pussy. Oh, Jeff. Did you get locked out? It's nice having a yard cat, I think, don't you? Jeff. Jeff. Get out of my fucking car. Piss off. You better not be pissing or shitting in my car. Go away. She's locked out. If it has cats, I'm going to have one. If it has kittens, we're... Yes. Honestly, yeah, we'll call it Bert.